What if I told you there's a training method that could revolutionize your workouts, all packed into just 3 numbers? The numbers 6, 12, and 25 protocol is taking the fitness world by storm. And today, you will understand exactly why elite athletes and everyday gym goers are ditching their old routines for this game-changing approach. Here's the thing about traditional training methods. Many are stuck in the past. While lots of people are still doing the same tired 3 sets of 10, smart trainees are discovering a system that targets multiple energy systems at once, maximizes muscle growth, and keeps workouts exciting. But before we dive deep into this protocol, let me ask you, have you ever hit a workout plateau where nothing seems to work anymore? The 6-12-25 method isn't just another fitness fad. It's a scientifically backed approach that solves one of the biggest problems in modern training: the failure to challenge our bodies across different rep ranges. Most people get trapped in a single rep range wondering why their progress stalls. This protocol breaks that cycle completely. So what exactly is the 6-12-25 method? It's beautifully simple yet devastatingly effective. You perform 3 consecutive sets of the same exercise with decreasing weight but increasing reps. First, you knock out 6 heavy reps at about 85 to 90% of your max. Without any rest, you immediately drop the weight and bang out 12 reps at around 70 to 75%. Still no rest, drop the weight again and push through 25 reps at about 50 to 60% of your maximum. This isn't just random numbers thrown together. Each phase serves a specific purpose. Those first 6 reps target your phosphocreatine energy system, building pure strength and power. The 12-rep phase hits your glycolytic system, promoting muscle growth and metabolic stress. And those final 25 reps tap into your oxidative system, enhancing muscular endurance and creating an incredible pump. But here's where it gets really interesting: the movement enhancement aspect. Traditional drop sets often sacrifice form just to complete the reps. The 6-12-25 method flips this script by actually improving your movement quality as you go. As the weight decreases, you can focus more on perfect technique, the mind-muscle connection, and movement precision. Think about it this way. Heavy weights teach your nervous system to recruit maximum muscle fibers. Moderate weights let you feel the muscle working and establish that crucial mind-muscle connection. Light weights let you perfect your movement patterns while flooding the muscle with blood and nutrients. It's like getting 3 different workouts in one seamless sequence. The beauty of this system lies in its metabolic complexity. While you're performing those final 25 reps, your body is simultaneously recovering from the heavy 6 and moderate 12. This creates a unique metabolic environment that promotes both strength gains and muscle growth, while improving your work capacity. Let's talk practical application, because theory means nothing without execution. Choose a compound movement like squats, bench press, or rows. Start with a weight you can handle for 6 challenging but clean reps. Your second weight should allow for 12 reps with good form, usually about 15 to 20% lighter. Your final weight needs to be light enough for 25 solid reps without complete muscular failure. The key here is preparation. Have all 3 weights ready before you start. There's no time for loading and unloading plates between sets. This is where having a training partner or using machines can be incredibly valuable. That seamless transition is what makes this protocol so effective. Here's a crucial point that separates success from wasted effort. You are not training to failure on any single set. The magic happens in the accumulation of fatigue. Those 6 heavy reps should feel challenging but leave you with 1 or 2 reps in the tank. The 12-rep set should push you but not destroy you. Even those final 25 reps should end with a couple left in reserve. Why does this matter so much? Because training to failure on the heavy set would compromise everything that follows. You'd struggle through the moderate set and completely collapse during the high-rep finish. The protocol works because each phase builds on the previous one without overwhelming your system. The movement enhancement component becomes particularly powerful during that final phase. As fatigue sets in and the weight becomes lighter, you can really focus on squeezing the muscle, controlling the tempo, and perfecting your form. Many people report better muscle activation and improved movement patterns after consistently using this method. From a programming perspective, the 6-12-25 protocol works best when used strategically, not constantly. It's incredibly demanding, so using it for every exercise and every workout would quickly lead to overtraining. Instead, consider it a powerful tool to break plateaus, add variety, or intensify specific training phases. A smart approach might be using this protocol for one major movement per workout, maybe rotating it through different exercises each week. Monday could be 6, 12, 25 squats, Wednesday could be 6, 12, 25 bench press, and Friday could be 6, 12, 25 rows. The metabolic demands also make it excellent for improving body composition. The combination of heavy resistance, moderate volume, and high-rep finishing work creates a perfect storm for both muscle preservation and fat loss. Your metabolism stays elevated long after the workout ends. Of course, recovery becomes even more critical when you implement this method. This multi-system stress requires adequate sleep, proper nutrition, and smart programming. Don't underestimate the recovery demands just because the individual sets aren't taken to absolute failure. One often overlooked benefit is the mental aspect. Traditional training can become monotonous, but the 6, 12, 25 protocol keeps your mind engaged. You're constantly adapting to different weights, different rep ranges, and different stimuli. This mental engagement often leads to better consistency. The movement enhancement also extends beyond just the immediate workout. Many athletes report improved movement quality in their regular training after using this protocol. The combination of strength work followed by high-quality movement practice seems to reinforce proper motor patterns. So as we wrap up, remember that the 6, 12, 25 method protocol isn't just about the numbers. It's about training smarter, not just harder. It's about challenging your body in a way that promotes both immediate adaptation and long-term development. Whether you're looking to break through a plateau, add variety to your training, or just experience what comprehensive muscle stimulation feels like, this protocol delivers. Try it with one exercise in your next workout and feel the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more content and let me know in the comments how your first 6, 12, 25 session goes. Thanks for watching.